Well, it's only been about a week, and we got germination, folks. Artie McYardie here with another one. Time to sharpen those blades.
Sharpen our knives, huh?
I can't. Okay. Make sure it's a Phillips screwdriver. Find the hole, the right hole. Lefty loosey. Oh, that's right. Whoop. Lefty loosey. Select cut blades. Okay, so, got it. Sharpener, made out of cobalt, the strongest metal known to mankind, okay? Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Is that sharp? Can you see that? I don't know if I'm in there. Okay, so we did that. Oh my god, there's 2 blades. There's 2 blades. Well, 4 sides. Which one did I do? I don't even know. Let's try this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. Yeah, I can see the shininess. When it's shiny, it's sharp. It's sharp. It's sharp. Now, let's make sure it's balanced so the lawnmower doesn't blow up. And yeah, I've seen that happen before. Just flames just blows up. Okay, I have one of those little balance. The balancer, yeah. Balance this. Can you see it? See it? Yeah. It's just down there. See, with a cobalt sharpener, I don't think that you need to really worry about balancing so much, but I just like to do even strokes and the same number of strokes on each blade, because it doesn't remove all this metal like a grinder does. You know, you see all those people grinding the shit out of their blades. Yeah, those ones, you better damn well freaking balance your blade out, you know? Okay, but that's what it is. See, I have it seated nice and even on the cone here. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, you know what we should do? Flip it also, just another one here. Make sure it's seated on here. Okay. Yeah, I'd say it's balanced. No? I would say it's balanced. Hey, we'll find out if I don't make any more YouTube videos. That's because I'm dead. Lawnmower blew up. But anyway, it's a pretty sharp, but I can't believe this light died out. So, let's see here. Let's get this light here. There we go. Can you see better now? You see that sharpness? You don't need to be crazy sharp, okay? It's a rotary mower. It's fine. See that? It's pretty decent, right? I don't really have rocks or anything. I just have wood chips more so. Those barely chip the blades, you know. See? Not too shabs, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Okay. Now, put the blades back on. See how it says mulching lower blade. And then it says this side facing grass. Okay. Boom. Blade back on. Okay. Bolt. Got this little washer, or some people say washer. Bolt on here. Oh. What's wrong with this? What's happening right now? One side is flat. There you go. Okay. Screw the bolt on. Alright, make sure. Now it's set to righty-tighty. Where's my screwdriver? Make sure. Get your Phillips screwdriver, right? Righty-tighty. 1, 2. Doesn't have to be crazy. See? It's snug, right? Ain't going anywhere. Again, if I don't make any more YouTube videos, you'll know why. Okay. That's it. It's nothing complicated.
Artie, McYardie, here was another one.
We got something.
I hope you enjoyed that video. I know I did.
We got something.